Endive is a leaf vegetable belonging to the genus Cichorium, which includes several similar bitter-leafed vegetables. Species include Cichorium, Cichorium pumilum, and Cichorium intybus. Let's know some medicinal benefits of endive. Endive is a well-known vegetable with low calories. It is also known to help with weight loss. The reason being that 50 grams of chopped endive consists of roughly 8.6 calories, a shockingly low amount. Above that, the glycemic load of half a cup of endive is 0. The low or absent glycemic load of endive is phenomenal for people with high blood glucose levels. Because of all these factors, endive is undoubtedly one of the best foods for weight loss. Many even consider it a staple food in their diet that they cannot live without. So why not give endive a try the next time you come across it? If you get past the bitterness, a world of health awaits. Vitamin K is essential for the body to function as it helps with blood coagulation and overall health. Besides being crucial to prevent osteoporosis later in life, vitamin K is also used to prevent cancer. Endive is a very high source of vitamin K. However, do be warned that an increased intake of vitamin K could make your blood clotting rate volatile. Do not start eating large amounts of vitamin K-rich foods like endive all at once. There have been multiple studies conducted regarding high-fiber foods like the endive and prevention of diabetes. Endive is definitely a staple when trying to decrease blood sugar levels and cholesterol. Not only that, but vitamin B9 is also found abundantly in endive. Vitamin B9 greatly helps in combating high blood pressure. Folic acid or folate is a subcategory of vitamin B, which is abundant in endive. Folate is absolutely necessary since it helps prevent many different forms of birth defects. So, if you have a little one on the way, get yourself some endive now. Undoubtedly, endive is rich in vitamin A, which is a crucial vitamin that prevents oral cavity issues. Endive can be ingested for the best effect in terms of oral problems. Just boil them or fry them for the best effect. Apart from endive being edible, endive aids in proper skincare wonderfully. As you should know by now, endive possesses many therapeutic properties. A great way to incorporate endive into your skincare routine is to squeeze endive juice. It has been proven to get rid of blemishes and prevent future breakouts. In fact, many skincare enthusiasts keep a vial of endive juice for those rough skin days. If lathering on endive juice isn't your thing, you could even try ingesting the juice. Although it may be intensely bitter, it works wonders for your skin. Another alternative would be to do an endive mask every fortnight. Doing so will help smoothen out your skin and close pores. For all the people who have insomnia, endive could help you with that issue. Endive has been proven over the years to help with insomnia. Endive consists of a majority of fiber with large amounts of vitamin C, a vitamin aiding with sleep. Endive is among one of the vegetables, like carrots and celery, that help with nourishing the optical system. The most common way to get your daily dose of eyesight improvement is through juices. Anorexia and bulimia sufferers can benefit from endive too. Endive provides proper fiber intake and digestion when recovering from eating disorders. Those who struggle recovering often find a hard time eating, but worry not, we have got you covered. Just simply drop a few drops of endive juice or extract on your tongue. It may seem insignificant, but it helps develop an appetite and promote eating. If endive did not seem impressive enough, It is a detoxification powerhouse. Endive is an excellent stimulant for the body to undergo the detoxification process in the liver. It regulates hormones and balances cholesterol. The gallbladder is the part of the liver that collects bile efficiently. But when gallstones appear, it prevents the gallbladder from doing its job. Not only that, even the flowers, roots, and seeds of the endive plant help with treating gallbladder. Just a mere 50 ml of endive juice is enough to promote the secretion of bile. Although drinking endive juice isn't for the faint of heart, taking it like a champ has its benefits. If you are new to us, follow us to see such amazing videos. Share the video and stay connected for another exciting video. Thanks for watching.